We've all heard the saying, dress for the job you want, not the job you have. There's a lot of truth to that. The way you present yourself to the world speaks volumes before you even say a word. Think of your clothing as a tool. It can communicate your professionalism, your confidence, and your respect for yourself and others. When you dress well, you instantly feel more confident. That confidence shines through whether you're in a job interview, a meeting, or just out and about. People notice and they respond positively. Remember, first impressions matter. You only get one chance to make a strong first impression. Making a conscious effort to dress well shows that you care about yourself and the situation. It demonstrates that you're prepared and that you value the opportunity. So how do you dress to impress? It's not about expensive designer labels or following every fleeting trend. It's about understanding what works for your body type, lifestyle, and the message you want to convey. It's about quality over quantity, good fit, and a touch of your own personal style. One size doesn't fit all when it comes to fashion. A student's wardrobe will naturally differ from a corporate executive's. Similarly, your weekend attire will be more relaxed than your workwear. The key is to build a versatile wardrobe that caters to your lifestyle. Let's start with the basics. Every wardrobe needs a foundation of well-fitting, classic pieces. Think of these as your wardrobe workhorses: a crisp white shirt, a tailored blazer, a great pair of jeans, a little black dress, and a comfortable yet chic pair of flats. Once you have these staples, you can start adding pieces that reflect your personal style and the specific needs of your lifestyle. If you're a student, you might want to invest in comfortable and stylish pieces that can transition from class to social events. Professionals might need to focus on tailored pieces that project authority and competence. No matter your lifestyle, the key is to choose clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Let's dive deeper into those wardrobe essentials, shall we? For men and women, a well-tailored blazer is a must-have. It instantly elevates any outfit, taking you from casual to polished in an instant. A crisp white shirt is another versatile piece. Dress it up with a blazer and trousers for a professional look, or pair it with jeans for a more relaxed vibe. Dark wash jeans are universally flattering and can be dressed up or down. Ladies, a classic little black dress is your secret weapon. Choose a style that flatters your figure and can be accessorized for various occasions. And everyone needs a comfortable yet stylish pair of flats. Ballerinas, loafers, or pointed toe flats are all great options. These are just a few examples, of course. The key is to choose items that you love and feel confident wearing. Section 4. Fit is king. Finding the perfect silhouette. Remember, the most expensive garment won't do you any favors if it doesn't fit properly. Fit is everything. Ill-fitting clothes can make you look sloppy and unkempt, while well-fitting clothes flatter your figure and boost your confidence. When shopping for clothes, pay attention to how they fit in the shoulders, bust, waist, and hips. Don't be afraid to size up or down to get the perfect fit. And if you find a piece you love that doesn't fit quite right, consider having it tailored. A good tailor can work wonders, adjusting the fit of your clothes to flatter your body perfectly. Tailoring can make a world of difference, ensuring that your clothes drape beautifully and accentuate your best features. Section 5. Color me confident, mastering the art of color coordination. Color plays a powerful role in fashion. It can affect your mood, your confidence, and how others perceive you. Understanding which colors flatter you most is an essential part of dressing well. For those with beautiful brown skin tones, rich, warm colors often look stunning. Think jewel tones like emerald green, ruby red, sapphire blue, and amethyst purple. Earthy tones like terracotta, burnt orange, and olive green also complement brown skin beautifully. When creating outfits, aim for a balanced and harmonious color palette. You don't have to stick to neutrals, but using them as a base can make it easier to incorporate pops of color. For example, try pairing a bright top with neutral trousers or a skirt, or adding a colorful scarf to a neutral outfit.